I really love using these laundry detergent sheets. They are so handy. They take up so much less space than what I used to use before, like powdered soap and stuff and liquid soap. And what is made with the boxing that could easily go back to nature or just basically break down. I don't really have to worry about plastic and stuff. I really like this idea of these laundry sheets. This one here, I thought that these small sheets were not adequate for a full load, but let me show you what it says on the box, is super concentrated. So then when I saw that, I said, okay, this sheet could do a full load. And plus, if I have a small load, I could still separate this into two. As you can see here, it's perforated. I can separate this into two if I have a smaller load, and it's doing a great job, and I'm really happy with this product. I just simply put this into my washing machine and let it do its thing, and that's it. It's as simple as that, and I'm very happy with this. What I also need to mention, this one is for a scent, and you could also get the ones that doesn't have really much of a scent, but the fragrance here is very nice. It's mild, it's not anything powerful, so I'm sure you could tolerate this, but if not, the option is there if you want the ones that don't have any scent with them. Very, very nice. Great idea.